Science is fundamentally viewed as a systematic and organized human endeavor aimed at uncovering the unknown. It involves employing organized methods of empirical investigation, data analysis, theoretical reasoning, and logical evaluation to build a body of knowledge about a specific subject or phenomenon. According to Giddens, science is characterized by the rigorous application of these methods to gain a deeper understanding of a particular subject matter. The term science finds its roots in the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. It encompasses a structured and coherent body of knowledge within any field of inquiry, acquired through the utilization of the scientific method, which is elaborated upon below. Science can be broadly categorized into two main branches: natural science and social science. Natural science pertains to the study of naturally occurring objects or phenomena, such as light, matter, celestial bodies, the earth, or the human body. It can be further subdivided into physical sciences, earth sciences, life sciences, and other specialized disciplines. Physical sciences encompass fields like physics, which deals with physical objects, chemistry, focused on the properties of matter, and astronomy, the study of celestial objects. Earth sciences include disciplines such as geology, the exploration of the Earth's structure and processes. Life sciences cover areas like biology, the study of living organisms, and botany, the examination of plants. In contrast, social science concentrates on the study of individuals or groups of people, such as communities, organizations, societies, or economies, and their individual or collective behaviors. Social sciences can be categorized into various disciplines including psychology, investigating human behavior, sociology, analyzing social groups, and economics, exploring the behavior of firms, markets, and economies. Science embodies several key characteristics. It constitutes a well-organized body of knowledge. It is primarily concerned with comprehending the natural world and the environment in which this knowledge is applied. It systematically formulates universally accepted laws that can be logically examined, methodically demonstrated, validated, and applied across various conditions and locations. Its laws operate independently of human intentions and inclinations. It functions through specific empirical and verifiable processes and tools.